Hi everyone, Harley here again, bringing you another tutorial of the Radix endeavor. Today we'll be going through the Data Detective questline. Before we begin the walkthrough, let me get you acquainted with two locations. The first one is Crater Wait, and the second is Lower and Upper Solid Lawn. We'll be traveling to and from these locations a lot, so get acquainted with them and know how to get there. You can begin this questline by talking with Polly, and he'll send you along the way to the city to find gravel shells, which look like these spiny turtle-like creatures. You'll want to collect 6 of them before heading back. Once you get back to Poly, bring up the Data Explorer, and if you don't know how to use this, there's a tutorial for that. You want to make a data summary talking about the mean height of the gravel shells, and then just hand that over to Poly. The next step in this quest is to find the mean height of the lava spines. You can find lava spines right in this map here. No need to go anywhere else. So capture 6 of them and do the same thing with the Data Explorer, finding the mean height, and turn that into Poly as well. At the end, Poly will give you back both of these data summaries and ask you to compare them, and ask you a few questions regarding the average height of both the lava spines and gravel shells. For the next quest, you want to talk to Lithia, who is also at Crater Wait. She asks you to capture 6 blackburns and then give her a data summary on the mean body length. Once you do that, turn it in, answer her questions, and you'll be done with this quest. For the third quest, you'll be taking a look at a huge data summary. After answering the questions about this data summary, you'll also be given a data summary done by the government and asked to do some comparisons. Eventually, you'll be asked to capture some blackburns in the city and make a data set from them. When you get to making your data summary, make sure you limit your data to just city blackburns, because now you have both desert and city blackburns in your collection. At the end of the quest, you'll be asked a few questions to assess your understanding of how sampling can affect your data. The fourth quest is mainly a collection of questions that again sees you comparing the city and desert blackburn data, which I won't show here. Eventually you'll be asked to explore either the city or desert blackburns again, or you can do both. And here just remember that you already have all this data. You don't have to do any collections. Just remember again to keep in mind the source which place you're looking for, whether it's the city or the desert. The final quest takes place in Sulphur's Sweep, which is just a few maps down from Crater's Wait. There you'll be talking with 2 siblings. One is Caldera, the other is Felsic. And they'll be asking you questions on when you should be using the median and when you should be using the mode, and how that can affect your results. That is it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it.